On the occasion of Sub-Zero Wolf's 80th anniversary, Higgies is honored to create this exquisite pudding to celebrate this milestone. Pudding features fruits farmed in Wisconsin, home of Sub-Zero Wolf and Coats. While the pudding is ready to be enjoyed immediately, we recommend allowing it to mature in a Sub-Zero fridge, nourished with specially blended bourbon whiskey for a more delightful experience at the end of the year. The maturation process will enhance the flavor, making it an exceptional treat for the Christmas season. You make sure to continue to age the pudding in your Sub-Zero fridge while feeding it every 2 to 3 months for another year or two. The melange of Wisconsin dried fruits are used. These dried fruits are macerated in VSOP Hine for a few months. All the dried fruit and other secret ingredients are mixed together and molded into pudding tub with the 8-hour candied lime in center of the pudding. To mature the pudding, inject some whiskey into center of the pudding every month. Prior to steaming the pudding, remove the pudding lid and cover it with aluminum foil. Steam in the Wolf steam oven at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Remove from the steam oven after 30 minutes and rest for 10 minutes. Unmold the pudding into a serving plate. Flambe the pudding with some whiskey. When portioning the pudding, be sure to serve each slice of pudding with a sliver of the candied lime and some freshly brandied cream on the side.